My name is Selena, and I am a person in long-term recovery. And what that means is I have not used any mind, mood-altering substances for over 9.5 years. I completed a long-term recovery program, The Healing Place in Louisville, Kentucky in 2008, and have been part of The Healing Place since then. I am now currently the Director of Health Services, and what that entails is managing the healthcare clinic and the healthcare needs of our 700 clients. I was a smoker until I was 16 months sober from drugs and alcohol. That was at 28 years old, so I started smoking at 12 and smoked till I was 28. I was a slave to the cigarette. I could not do anything without smoking. Hanging out with my son, lunch breaks at work, at school, every break between class was a cigarette break. It just consumed my thoughts, my energy, my time, and it took me away from my life. I had completed recovery, a 12-step recovery program, and I realized that I was still addicted to the cigarettes. And the Healing Place empowered me to take charge of my life and ask for help and to change my life in remarkable ways. And for me to still be a slave to the cigarette, I just thought, this isn't right. I had to do something about it. I went to my doctor and said that I was interested in quitting smoking, and the doctor wrote me a prescription for Chantix. My last night smoking, I asked a friend for a cigarette, and I smoked that cigarette, and then I went upstairs and I got on my knees and I said, God, I can't do this. This is one of my favorite things in the world, and it is intervening in my relationship with you and me, my sobriety, and it's just another thing holding me back. Please help me to lay down this weight. And I felt like something just lifted out of me, and I haven't smoked since. Now, that doesn't mean it was easy, because the first 3 days, my nicotine receptors in my brain were going crazy. And after 3 days, those kind of calmed down, and I was able to move forward in my life. There are times that I'm around people and I think, oh, it'd be nice to have a cigarette because everybody's smoking, but then I think I'm a puff away from a pack a day. And so I don't want that anymore. Being smoke-free for 7.5 years has made the world of difference in my life. I think it's even impacted my life more than quitting the drugs and the alcohol, because I could not live without a cigarette. And since I've quit smoking, my self-esteem is a lot better. My teeth are whiter. I'm able to do a better job at work because I'm not going out to smoke every hour, which means that I don't take as many breaks as I should, but I would give up smoke breaks for this wonderful life that I have now.